Alone, divine move. A beautiful switch word to heal you physically, mentally, spiritually. This was being requested a lot, so I thought let me make this video. It's called Alone, Divine Move. Shall we start together? For the maximum benefits, I would request you to grab a glass of water. So let the healing go into your water. Okay, let this be a charge healing water. Water remembers everything. So this video is going to be combined with tons of healing energy, crystal healing energy, symbols, incense. It's a beautiful Reiki healing energy, and top of it we have a powerful switch word. Let's start, shall we? Let's do it. It's called Alone, Divine Move. 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 So how does this switch word will work? Alone, it means heal. It's a beautiful switch word by itself. You can just say alone by its own, and it means heal. Let's do it with this amethyst healing. Alone, that means heal. Divine creates a miracle. It creates that beautiful change. And move is energy. So when you say alone, which is heal, healing, divine, creating miracles in your life, and move, which is energy. So combine this will create alone, divine move. Alone, divine move. This will help you to balance your energy physically, mentally, and spiritually. It would help you to heal yourself, whether it is mentally, spiritually, emotionally, whatever it is you are going through in your life. This helps you to heal you, whether it is a physical pain, emotional, mental, spiritual, whatever it is happening in your life. Do not stop. Please say it with me. Alone, divine move. 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 How about we give some love with this pink love quartz? Alone, divine move. Bring a big smile on your face. Grab a glass of water. Receive this powerful, wonderful healing energy. Alone, divine move. Feel the love energy coming to your life. Alone, divine move. 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 Make it a musical concert. Shall we do it together like that? Alone, divine move. Alone, divine move. Alone, divine move. You can concentrate on the part of your life where you would like this healing, this energy shift, this miracle to happen, and visualize it's going away. Do not think that it would go away later. See yourself being absolutely physically, mentally, spiritually, every way fine and fit. That is the best way to receive this energy. Alone, divine move. 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 This will help you for better health, physical stability, emotionally, spiritually, create that miracle in your life, that healing, that energy. Alone, divine, move. This is the best, I feel, for everything. And how many times you can repeat? As many times as possible. Alone, divine, move. 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 I have created a whole playlist for Switchword healing, and also there are so many Reiki healing videos which you can receive Reiki healing from. Alone, divine, move. Of course, you will find all of them in the comments, in the description. So make sure you check it out. Alone, divine, move. For best result, receive this healing, receive this switch word combined with crystals, incense, symbols, all of this good stuff healing daily. Let me know what would you say it in your own language if you had to say alone, divine, move. Also, where are you connecting from? Alone, divine, move. And another important question, how are you finding this series? Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. They breathe, feel the energy, feel the words, feel that healing energy, feel that is coming in your life. Alone, divine, move. 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 Say it, please. Don't stop. I'm sure you are chanting in your mind. Switchword helps you to lift that switch in your subconscious. Alone, divine, move. If you already have got that glass of water, bottle of water, you can consume that water. Feel the taste of the water. Let me know in the comments, how do you find this taste of water when you chant a mantra, chant this switch word, receive this Reiki healing energy. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. I wish you tons of happiness, health, everything in balance in your life. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. I love spending time with you on this platform, and I love reading your comments. Even though sometimes I am late to reply, I read all of them and it brings the biggest smile on my face. It's wonderful to receive your feedback. Let me know what is it you want to bring me on this channel. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. Alone, divine, move. Thank you.